What's up, my Wolfpack? I'm back with another video, and today we are doing a vlog. Ooh! Squishies. Just popped it back to normal. That right there. Ooh, that's a nice one right there. So, oh my god. How do you spin these things?
You put them on your finger.
You put them in your finger, then you just go like that. I have one of those ones, but a golden one, but I sold it to my friend.
For how much? Yo! There's a glitter one though. That's weird.
I really like the circle.
Yo, I like that football one. That looks like a football.
I like the circled one, bro.
Okay. Oh.
So what should I get?
I don't even know. I think, you know what, I think you know what you should get? Do you have any copies of these? These ones right here?
Yeah.
I think you should get this one, bro.
I like that circled golden one.
I know, that one's kind of cool. But not that cool. Not that cool. Well, I think you should get one of these. It's not like real diamond, but the most one I want you to get is probably this one. So, yeah, I like that one. Do you have any of these, but just in gold?
No, I don't think so.
Do you have any Captain America fidget spinners?
No.
No? Oh! Fidget spinner. Oh, your brother would like this.
Oh, I want that one.
Yo, my brother would want this one.
Oh, look, see how it's fidget spinner. Show him.
You sure? See how it's football. Oh, what is
I want to
that?
get one.
What time do you close?
Huh?
What time do you close?
9?
9?
Yeah.
Oh, what's this one? There's nothing in there.
Yeah.
Are these all the bought ones?
Those are just cases, yeah.
Oh. Can you give me that fidget cube up there? That fidget cube, guys, I want to touch that. Oh, it's a Broncos one! Yo, get this! Are you gonna get it? Huh? Bro, you should get that. Huh? What? Put it back? To what, Mom? To what?
Sounds crazy. I'm gonna get one tomorrow.
Bro, so we came here for nothing. Maverick! Maverick, bro!
That's just savage, bro.
Yeah, I know, but it has
a
Maverick on
It
it.
has a Maverick on it.
The V stands for Maverick. Bro! Do you guys have any Maverick shirts?
Maverick? Yeah.
Right here? Can I see them?
We don't have them made.
Uh-huh.
We can make them for you. So
Can I see them? Oh, do you have any right here? Like right now?
Made already? Yeah.
You can buy it, bro.
How much are they? No, I want this. How much is this?
Maverick one.
How much is this?
That one would be 35.
35 bucks? I'm gonna save up to buy that. I want that. Team 10. Bro, I want this Maverick one. How much are these?
They're gonna be 35.
35 bucks.
Look at your mom's phone number.
Bro, you only have 20 bucks.
We're gonna call mom. I know. We'll call mom.
Oh, I want that so bad.
Me too. I really want.
You guys don't have any color ones in stock?
I can make it colored for you.
Okay, so next time I come here with 30, do you think you'll be
If you
here,
want a
same place?
different color, it'll probably be 40.
40?
Yeah.
Like I want it Cause the way I wanted it, like I wanted just the sweater, but I just want the bird, just the color,
Yeah, that'll be 40.
Oh, I'm gonna try to save up that. Cause I want that, but I just want the color of it, the color of Maverick the bird. Yeah, Mom, they have a Maverick shirt. Yeah,
Team 10.
Huh? They have.
Team 10.
Because it's part of Jake Paul.
No, can you give me this the Maverick one, please? Please.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. She said she might give me.
Yeah, it's his birthday tomorrow.
Yeah, so she might give me a Team 10 shirt.
It's a jacket. Yo, I want that so bad. Yo, guys, look at this. Yo, I want that so bad.
Dude, I can't believe that it's Team 10.
Oh, dab it on them. Dab on the haters. Yo, you guys, I can't believe they have a Maverick. I am totally stressed out right now, guys. Oh. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna ask him a question.
Yeah, I'll give you a few.
You think I can try one on? Do you
Yeah.
think I can try? Do you think I can try one on? One of the Maverick things?
We don't have any made in your size.
Really?
Yeah, we only have the one on display.
You take change for 20?
Where are you gonna get something?
I'm gonna get that.
Well, let me see. Can I see the picture? That one, bro, really?
I like that one.
This one's cool, I think.
Bro, you should have got that one right there.
Oh,
Or the Bluetooth. How much is that one?
Which one?
The one that he's getting.
What is this wall?
That's the wattage. It's like what's it? Yeah.
Yo, he's buying this. I can't believe he's actually buying that. I really want this Maverick shirt, guys. Maverick for life. I want this. I want it, guys. I want it. I want the Maverick. I want the Maverick.
Give me this tomorrow.
Bro, I want this. I want the Maverick one. Be a Maverick. Be a Maverick. Bro, I want. Oh. Team 10, screw you. Screw Team 10. I don't like Team 10. Team 10, please. How much do you have?
$7 left.
Dude, not to lie,
Can you buy me a
if your
picture?
mom says that no, she's a
My
gold
mom
digger.
says that. I'm
saying positive.
What?
Yep.
What is that? 10 cents?
That's cool.
He bought that just now.
That's pretty. I like that one. It's different than all the rest.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be like a collector's item.
My friend Matthew? Mom, Matthew, you know the fidget spinners that he has? He steals them from the mall.
That's not nice.
I know. He should at least. Well, Mom, do you think you can buy me this? Come here, watch. Come here. You guys. Oh my God. I can't stop looking at this. Mom, come here real quick. And then can you see?
Get your jackets on.
Is this for my Chinese?
Bro,
This is Chinese, bro.
Can I try, bro? You got this Chinese one?
It's every.
Did you get your jacket? Okay, I'm not gonna
Lit.
until you get your jacket on.
I don't really like that one.
I like it. It's cool.
It's alright, but you should have got the other one instead here. So you guys, Mom, can I show you the Maverick
You
shirt?
can show me real quick.
So I'm gonna show my mom. Mom, do you think you can buy me this? Mom, for a color, it's like $40. Do you think you can buy me it? That's like the only thing in the world I want. This is all I want for my birthday. Or something. Can you please get me this one right here? I want that one.
This is the thing I want.
I want this one. I want that one.
This one's yeah.
On
This one's
his
from Logan
channel,
Paul.
on his channel, that costs like $60.
Yeah.
Really?
On his channel.
On this
but over
channel-
here,
On this
over here,
channel, you
there's
get it for free. You just have to what's called. But
over here
they hardly pick anybody.
over here. This is only $35.
Please, mom,
Okay.
can we get it tomorrow?
We'll see when we get it tomorrow.
Oh, I want it so bad.
Can you give me one too, Mom?
If you get me it, mom, obviously because he might give me $1. He might give me $1. I'll give you that. Okay?
Give me one.
$1.
I don't need $1.
Or you can buy it.
Mom, can you please get me that?
Huh?
Can you give me the Maverick shirt?
I don't know. We'll see, guys.
So my mom might get us the Maverick shirt, guys.
My mom's already ordered me a Maverick.
Yo, what is that? What are these? Oh, bro, they have Pokemon.
Bro, what is that? So that was already.
Whoa. Oh, they're little hamsters. Yo, you guys, look at these. They're little hamsters. That's crazy ball. Crazy, crazy balls.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Well, look, my fidget.
Hey, you wanna wear that?
Get it? The hamster pee-pee suck.
You don't even put this on your thing. You said, please.
And where's your hat?
Augustin's gonna wear it. Bro, you want this? Put this on your head, Donovan. You look cooler. I want that I want the Maverick shirt. I don't want the Team 10. I want Maverick. I can't wait to get that. We repair phones.
Team 10.
How much would it cost to repair this?
I could ask. Probably $100 or more.
Dang.
Wait, how much does a Galaxy S6 case cost?
S6 case, $20 to $30. It depends.
20.
What about a Galaxy S5 case?
S5. No, they're over here. What kind of phone do you have, buddy? I won't give a case for that.
How much do you think?
My brothers?
So those will probably be $35.
How about this the LG? This one.
Those kind of?
Can I take your?
Yeah.
Do you know what kind of phone it is or no?
Yeah, it's a Galaxy S5.
S5? Then yeah, probably one of those.
What about the LG?
LG. LG. I think your case is good.
Over here. I want to check the cases out that they have, guys. Let's see these cases. Can you see?
I believe it's the second row down.
These ones?
Yeah. So.